Did you know that buying a car could secretly cost you over $120,000 without you even realizing it? But this is exactly what's happening to millions of people every day. Meet Sam and Sarah. Both had the same amount of money, $10,000. But 6 years later, one has nothing but an old car while the other has a growing investment worth over $124,000. So, what went wrong? And how can you avoid becoming car poor? I have divided this topic into different chapters, so stick with me because this story might just change how you see car ownership forever. Chapter 1: The Illusion of Luxury. Let's start with Sam. He wanted to look successful, so he bought an $80,000 luxury car. He put down $10,000 and financed the rest over 72 months with 8% interest. That means a monthly payment of $1,227. For 6 years straight, that's over $88,000 just in car payments without even including maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. Why do people do this? Because they are sold the dream status, pride, social validation. But here's the kicker. The car loses value the moment it leaves the lot. It's a liability, not an asset. But what did Sarah do differently? Let's find out. Chapter 2: The Power of Smart Choices. Now meet Sarah. She also had $10,000, but instead of buying a luxury car, she bought a used car for $10,000 with no loan, no interest, and no monthly burden. But she didn't stop there. She invested Sam monthly $1,227 in index fund consistently for 6 years. With average market return of around 8% annually, Sarah's investment grew to $124,965. She has an old car like Sam, but also financial peace of mind, and nearly $125,000 in wealth building assets. So, who do you think made the smarter decision? Chapter 3: Real Loss. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize they are paying for their ego with their future. Sam didn't just buy a car. He bought stress, interest payments, depreciation, and lost opportunity cost. While he was polishing his car, his bank account was getting emptier each month. Just imagine, what could you do with an extra $1,227 every month? Start a business, travel, build a down payment for a house, or retire early. But many don't realize this until it's too late. Chapter 4: Real Example of Car Poor Lifestyle. In the US, the average car payment is $733 for new cars. In Canada, it's $700 plus. In the UK, it's slightly less, but the story is the same. And yet, nearly 60% of people can't handle a $500 emergency. Why? Because their money is tied up in depreciating assets. They are car rich but cash poor. Here's a better model. Buy a reliable used car, invest the difference. Let your money grow while your car gets you from point A to B. Chapter 5: Urgency. Act before it's too late. Every month you keep that oversized car payment is a month you are losing money. Every dollar you put into a luxury vehicle that's losing value is a wealth killer. And if you're thinking, I will invest later, just know the cost of waiting is bigger than you think. Start today, even with small steps. Let your car serve you, not enslave you. Then the final message is, Sam and Sarah both started with $10,000, but their choices made all the difference. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. You just need to stop doing what's keep you poor. So, are you making the Sam mistake, or are you ready to be like Sarah? If you found this video eye-opening, like, share, and subscribe for more videos that help you build real wealth, not fake flexes. Drop a comment. What's your car story? Are you Team Sam or Team Sarah? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.